Now, here's how much is required by the East Delhi Municipal Corporation on a monthly basis. They need at least 134 crore rupees for their day-to-day operations. What the Delhi government has released till now, according to reports, is 119 crore. That is a shortfall of about 15 crore rupees. That is pinching the sanitation workers who earn a mere 500 rupees per day to clean up the garbage. Even that money cannot be afforded right now by the East Delhi Municipal Corporation. These are the areas that are worst affected right now in the capital: Geeta Colony, Lakshmi Nagar, Krishna Nagar and Nirman Vihar. My colleague Shalini Lobo joining us also from Mayur Vihar, which is one of the affected localities. Now, Shalini, give us the latest this morning. What's the situation?
As we know, today is the 5th day that the sanitation workers are on this indefinite strike, and today they're holding a demonstration, a protest at Azad Nagar in East Delhi. Now you have around 17,000 sanitation workers participating in that. The demands that they want their salaries over the past 2 months, they want their arrears, their DA, regularized daily wage workers to participate, and they want free uniforms. These are the demands that they are raising, and the citizens of Delhi are also facing a very hard time due to this entire problem, because there's garbage strewn across the streets of East Delhi. Now, East Delhi has a population of around 40 lakh people, and there's around 2,500 to 3,000 tons of garbage coming out on a daily basis. Now, with the MCD cleaners, with the East Delhi Municipal Corporation cleaners out of the area, there's garbage strewn all across the roads, garbage piling, a stench, giving and hygiene. NCD has hired a private, as we know, the NCD has hired private agency, around 30 trucks and 5 offloaders to come and collect garbage in the night and take it to the Ghazipur landfill site where they can go dump the garbage there. This is what they're doing right now to tackle the garbage situation, keeping the strike in mind.
All right. So, Shalini, at least there are 15,000 workers with the East Delhi Municipal Corporation alone. And even as the Delhi government is saying that they have dispersed the funds, the BJP, which controls the MCD, has said that funds haven't reached them. It's a political blame game, and the biggest casualty are the residents of the East Delhi area. You've been able to speak to a lot of people. What are they saying this morning?
Paying the brunt of this ongoing political war right now between the Aam Aadmi Party government and the BJP is the Delhi residents, East Delhi residents and the sanitation workers, because they haven't got their money for the job they've been doing for so long, and the East Delhi residents because of the garbage that's piling up, which is posing them a health challenge right now. So when yesterday the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, held a press conference in which he alleged he leveled corruption and mismanagement of funds charges against the MCD, saying that they accept bribes and that these 10% of these bribes they accept in their property dealings, even that can be surplus funds for paying the Karamchari, the cleaning workers, the Karamchari staff, these staff, paying them their salaries. That is what the Chief Minister had to say. And you have the MCD workers saying they don't have funds, they're all run out of funds. And now we're expecting to see the doctors and teachers also go on strike. This is the 5th strike by the cleaning workers, the cleaning staff in the past 2 years.